Hey everyone, Shraddha here. So today I'm going to cover a topic that is somebody is facing issues in order to apply through a job section on LinkedIn. Okay, so let's get into it. Firstly, make sure that your account is not having any kind of restriction. See, if we are liking a lot of posts on a single day, or we are commenting on a lot of posts, and also we are misusing some features of LinkedIn, so it's a like professional platform, and if we are not using it or utilizing it the way we should used it, or we should have used it, so they will be restricting our account. Okay, so make sure you are not at all like you are not at all crossing any kind of limit in case of commenting or liking, or else they'll think that your account is a chatbot and they'll restrict actions in your account. You won't be able to like somebody's see, if you are facing easy apply option or job apply, firstly try to check whether you are able to comment on somebody's post and you are able to like their post. If it is so, if it is working well, then see, firstly try it again. Just go to any job that you are interested in and go for easy apply, click there and try to apply it. Okay, from there. And if it's not working, then you can do one thing. In your search, just write LinkedIn. Sorry, just click on home. Okay, click on home, then write LinkedIn. Okay, now LinkedIn profile will be coming. It's like company page. Make sure that you are following the page, and then go to message section. Okay, in that message section you can write like you can ask them. See, we can do it right now. Okay, hey LinkedIn, can you please tell me why is somebody facing issue in applying for a job? Okay, sorry, Bapu is right here. In applying for a job. Okay, let's see what they say, or maybe they can take some time, because normally firstly they send some automated message, and then you can see this automated message right here. There could be several reasons might face. Firstly, see this profile completeness. Okay, make sure that your profile is updated. And I think I have shared one video where if you are going to apply for a job, make sure to check your LinkedIn skills and update your LinkedIn skills based on the skills that that job is asking for. And then not only do this, but also then make changes in your resume too. So if you are applying for 10 jobs, your skills will be changed on LinkedIn 10 times, and your resume will be updating by like, if I talk about number of times, so it would be same 10 times. Okay, then you can read other things also, technical issues, technical glitch or browser compatibility issues, then job. So I'm saying that if you are applying it on phone and it's not working, then try it on laptop, and it's not working on laptop, then try it on phone. Okay, next, application limits. I told you that we should not okay, there are some options. First thing is, maybe you are misusing the feature. Second thing only is, can be because I also used to post jobs on LinkedIn for my company. So there can be, if it's just 4 position, then once they have received maybe 51 applicants or something, let me tell you one thing. See, I have posted multiple jobs from my account. Okay, if I click there, you can see this. Okay, um just wait. Okay, this is not okay. Closed one, let's see closed one. Here you can see 15 applicants, 24 views. Okay, then 51 applicants. See, if I am doing it for free, if my job post is for free and I have not at all promoted it, then I can only receive 51 applicants. Okay, and if it is being promoted, that most of the companies used to promote, because if in order to get good applicants, we need at least 500 to 600 resumes, maybe 1000 2000 also. Okay, it's like minimum count to get a good like candidate for that particular position. Okay, so here for my job post, it was for free. I did not pay anything to promote this job, and you can see 51 applicants. Now if somebody else is trying to apply, they won't be able to apply for it, because my job has already touched that like highest number of applicant. And what I can do, I need to just close it, and maybe I can again post something, a new job. Okay, so there can be some reason, maybe there are some issues in your account. If it is so, talk to LinkedIn and also ask what you can do. Make sure that you are not at all liking multiple posts on that single day, you are not at all commenting also, and you are not at all applying for various jobs. Okay, it's like, if I, let's go back here, you can see this. So if I'm going there, then I'm just applying, and then I'm going here, Infosys, I'm applying again, I'm going there, I'm applying. So if I'm doing it for multiple vacancies, so again I can get into some restricted thing from LinkedIn. You can just do one thing, click on job section. Okay, show all, go for easy apply, and try to apply for it. If you are doing it from your laptop, try to do it from your phone, then you can do it from laptop. If in case you face any issue, just type LinkedIn, click on home, and then here just type LinkedIn. Okay, and you can follow the page, and then you can message them, you can share your issue. You can see it here, job requirements, application limits. So application limits can also be there, and there are a lot of employers who used to set that job requirement, and if it is not at all matching with your profile, then you won't be able to apply for it. Okay, so yeah, these are the things that you can see. If you face any issue, just talk to LinkedIn and ask them why you are not at all able to do it. And when you are applying for any job, understand what in what niche or what area they are in, and try to, if I talk about I'm in digital marketing, so I will be looking, I won't look for say coding or Java or something like lead code or anything like this. Obviously I will be looking for marketing related, marketing manager or social media marketing manager, something like this. Now if you are not, you are just like hitting say apply option in any job that is not related to your field, then obviously they nowadays they used to auto reject application, so you won't be able to do it. But I think in your case, if you are not able to apply it, so it would be great if you can apply it, try it again, by following the step that I have shared with you. Okay, just go to jobs, and then here you can see, click on show all, and then you can also search for a job and this and everything like based on your requirement, and then you try to do it. If in case you face any problem, just go to LinkedIn and talk to them. Can you tell me what is the issue, why I'm not at all able to apply for jobs? Just ask them, communicate with them. If in case you face any kind of issues, you can just let me know, and I can find some alternate option to help you, so that you will be able to apply for jobs. Okay, but right now I think this will work for sure for you. Just that don't misuse any feature on LinkedIn. It's a professional platform, and LinkedIn is like, they used to ban people. It's like many times they used to ban the account lifetime, you won't be able to get it back. So please take care of these things, and yeah, just don't do anything against your policy. Don't like a lot of posts, don't comment everywhere, and don't apply for multiple jobs in one single day. Don't apply for 10 to 20 jobs or 8 to 10 jobs. You can go for 2 to 4 jobs on a single day, but don't try to apply for 6, 10, 15, 20 jobs that people are normally doing like nowadays. Okay, because LinkedIn knows everything, even if you are applying there, so they'll just get to know that you are just applying for multiple jobs. So take care of whatever things you are doing on LinkedIn. Okay, just to save your account, and just so that you will be able to leverage the features that they are having on LinkedIn. Okay, so if you face any issue, you can just let me know. I'll just find some way, maybe I'll need one day or two, but I'll just talk to LinkedIn team through mail, and then I can just help you out. Okay, so but just try this, and I think it will work. Yeah, it will work. just try it, and if in case you face any problem, you can just let me know. So yeah, just want to talk about this. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share, and if you want me to cover any topic, just let me know. I will be covering that topic too. Stay tuned. Bye bye and take care.